Hello and welcome. If you got here before watching episode 3, please click the link above to learn more about the differences between modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. You can also download 2 PDFs from that video and put a mark where you think the modal verbs and auxiliary verbs are. Or you can stay here and look at the answers to the story quiz, which will help you find the modal and auxiliary verbs in the stories, and then watch episode 3 later. So, if you're going to stick around, are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, a young boy named James lived in a small village. He was a curious and adventurous child, always eager to explore and discover new things. One day, as he wandered through the forest, he stumbled upon a hidden cave. He couldn't resist the urge to go inside and see what was inside. As he entered the cave, he realized that he must be careful because the cave was dark and damp. He should bring a flashlight and a jacket with him. He thought he could explore the cave for a while and then come back before it darkened. James walked deeper into the cave and soon found himself in a large chamber. He could see that the walls were adorned with ancient drawings and carvings. He knew that he might discover something precious. He might even find a hidden treasure. However, as he explored the chamber, he heard a strange noise. He thought it might be a wild animal and realized that he should leave the cave as soon as possible. He can't risk getting hurt or trapped. He quickly retraced his steps and made his way back to the entrance. As he was about to leave the cave, he saw that the sun was setting and he knew he should hurry. He will call his parents and let them know that he is safe. And he will tell them about his adventure. He will return to the cave again, but next time he will bring some friends. He left the cave and walked back home. The cave and his adventure still fresh in his mind. he felt that he must tell his parents everything. He should not keep it a secret from them. He might even write a report about it for school. When he reached home, his parents were relieved to see him, and he told them everything that had happened. They were amazed by his adventure and happy that he was safe. They asked him to show them the cave, and he said he would tomorrow if they wanted. From that day on, James became known as the boy who discovered the hidden cave, and he always remembered his adventure as one of the best experiences of his life. Once upon a time, a young couple, Wendy and Ryan, had been dating for several years. They had fallen deeply in love and had decided to get married. The wedding day arrived, and Wendy and Ryan were excited and nervous. Wendy woke up early in the morning, feeling like she could not sleep anymore. She should start getting ready for the big day. She knew that she must look her best and take her time to get prepared. She should also make sure to eat something because she might not have time later. As she was getting ready, her bridesmaids came to help her. They could see that she was feeling a bit nervous, and they reassured her that everything would be perfect. They might even take some pictures together. Meanwhile, Ryan was getting ready at his parents' house. He felt a bit anxious, but he knew he must stay calm. He should not let his nerves get the best of him. He should focus on the fact that he will be marrying the love of his life. As the ceremony began, Wendy walked down the aisle, escorted by her father. She saw Ryan waiting for her at the altar and felt a surge of emotion. Wendy knew that she must stay composed and not cry, or she might ruin her makeup. The ceremony was beautiful, and the couple exchanged their vows. They will love and cherish each other forever. They had to sign the marriage certificate and officially pronounce husband and wife. After the ceremony, there was a reception where they celebrated with their family and friends. They had a great time dancing and enjoying the delicious food. They might even cut the cake together. As the night ended and the guests started to leave, the couple realized they had just had the best day of their lives. They felt that they must thank everyone who had made the day so special. And they should cherish the memories forever. From that day on, Wendy and Ryan were known as Mr. and Mrs. And they lived happily ever after. They always remember their wedding day as one of the most important days of their lives. I hope you found it helpful, and if you want more educational content on this channel, please click here and hit the notification bell to inform you when the next video is available. So, take care and follow your passion for learning. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.